Here we have a 68 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills, gloss black front splitter as well, part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. We do have the side skirts all on the bottom. We have the second alloy wheel, as you can see, again in excellent condition. We also have the M Sport suspension as well. We have the colour coded door handles, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've got the black mirrors, shark fin antennae up top, and also the gloss black rear spoiler just here on the tailgate. Coming around to the rear, you find we have the rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, and we do also have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust. Now if you open up the boot, you can press it just by pressing the button on the remote. It will pop open like so. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space. We do also have the storage net on the left hand side. Just pull that back closed though and then walk back round to the driver's side. You find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look then at the interior now. Inside of here you find we have the leather interior. We do have the foldable armrest just here in the centre, along with the fixed ISO points as well. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you find the same full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them front seats. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We do have a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. If you put our foot on the brake, press your start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. You find on this stalk just here we do have the high beam assist. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. We are free from any warning lights on the dashboard, other than letting us know about the low fuel, so nothing to worry about. We've got the main screen just here in the centre. Now if that's flickering, it's just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So on here you find we do have the sat nav. We also have the media, where you find the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio, USB as well, Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we also have the different drive modes as well. So you find that we have the Eco Pro, we have the Comfort drive mode, Sport, and also the Sport Plus. If you go on to the Sport displays, you find we have the Sport displays just there, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Further down you find we have the dual zone climate control. We've got the ice cold air conditioning and the heated seats as well on each side, all working as they should do, as you can see. Further down from there you find we have the cup holders inside of here. We have the drive mode buttons, automatic gearbox, putting the car into reverse. You find we have the rear parking sensors appear on the screen. We've got the shortcuts just there for the infotainment screen, manual handbrake and a nice leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 68 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. We also have the dashboard just here in front of us. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, controlled just down here, perfect for them at cold winter mornings. We have the main screen just there in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. Again, we have plenty of features on there, you would have seen them on the photos. For example, we do have the radio and also the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there we have the dual zone climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now I'm about to take a right hand turn now in a moment where I'll perform an emergency stop, so if we slow down, put our right indicator on and then we make the right hand turn just in a moment onto the industrial park. I'm going to perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, and we have the rear parking sensors just appear there on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.